Now student, in this video we will discuss about this is a pipe sizer, which is a design tool, MC Query pipe sizer. So here you see, here you will select the type of material. Let's suppose I will select this schedule 40 pipe, which is general. From here we can select water, which is mainly at 40-50 Fahrenheit. So now from here we will select the diameter of pipe, and here we will write the USGPM. So how we can select? First of all, as you know that from fixture units we can calculate the total flow rate, the GPM in main pipe, that the pump the that GPM that the pump through pump flow, total GPM. So in first step we will add all fixture dwelling units, and from them we will find total GPM from, and here we can write total GPM. Let's suppose the total GPM are 400 US GPM. So from here we can select size. Let's suppose you see here head loss is 8.58. If we flow 400 GPM in 4-inch pipe, then the head loss is 8.58 foot per 100 feet, and fluid velocity is 10. And as you know that according to standard, the fluid velocity must be, the minimum fluid velocity is 2 foot per second, and maximum fluid velocity is 6 feet per second. These are limits. Similarly, the head loss is, minimum head loss is 1 foot per 100 feet square, and the maximum is 5 feet per. So if we use 4-inch pipe, then fluid velocity and head not are very high, so we use 5-inch pipe for 400. So here you see the head loss is 2.758 and fluid velocity is 6.41, which is very which we can ask 6 feet per second. So in this way we can calculate the here you see this is outer diameter of pipe is 5.523, and wall thickness is this, and we will get all these property. Weight of pipe is this, weight plus weight pipe plus fluid is this value, fluid density, viscosity, specific heat, energy factor, fluid velocity, Reynolds number, and all these values we will find from this tool, which is a design tool pipe sizer.